Today I'm going to be eating some honey. I haven't tried honey in a while, so it feels really cold. It's been in the fridge for like 2 weeks. So look at this, it won't even cut. I'm going to try my hardest to make a little square. I got some. Who's got hair in it? Who? Oh my god, it's hitting my bed. I'm probably gonna like... It's crusting. 3, 2, 1. Not that bad. Seeing as I got it from like a health food shop anyway. This This should go. I should put this with Weetabix. So it tastes kind of sweet. It tastes a bit watery. It tastes watery and hard and gooey at the same time. It looks like sap from a tree. I might get something to mix with that. Right, that was my honey testing, and if you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe for more, so I know that you're interested in tasting and stuff. Anyway, that's all, and bye.